passion? Well, passion is something that you love doing. I mean, apart from your daily work, it is something that you really enjoy and you love to do. It really puts your full mind and everything onto it.
Without passion, there is no energy, and without energy, there is nothing. Why is it important to have passion? Well, passion gives context to your life. It gives you the zeal, grit, determination, and energy to focus and do what you love most. Without passion, you end up becoming a puppet and start to play around societal rules, and you're no more than a simple entity.
Take me, my passion is cricket. I love the sport, I play it professionally. At this situation, I may be missing it, but I still love it and I like doing it. It keeps me away, it gives me a break from other educational and other activities that I have to do on a day basis. That 2 hours break that I get to play the game is when I get the full enjoyment throughout my whole day. Similarly, finding your passion is also equally important.
A few years back, education was not a choice but a compulsion. People had to study with whatever they were put up with, and academic aspirations were never beyond college. Learning and passion were just absurd dreams and nothing more. The 21st century has evolved dramatically. Learning is a new oil, and how long you learn determines your success and your ability in life.
Student life is not only about studying, looking for college, it's also about enjoying what you're doing, having friends. So similarly, just find a passion. It could be anything: drawing, coloring, playing a sport, singing, anything. I mean, anything that you love doing, and pursue that.